Hello, Daqin. I'm Miguel from Pamplona, Spain. I'm sending you a greeting. We are very happy here in our store because we buy your software 1 year ago, and we right now make this all kind of design for our customers. Also, we can make a screen protection with our customers. Right now, I'm gonna show you how we can use your software. It's very easy. We take the template that we needed, we put it here, and simply cut, select the scanner, and that's it. We make a lot of designs, we have a lot of colors, and if we have any problem or any question, 24/7 the Wechat service from Daqin help us if we have any trouble. Thanks a lot and happy 16th birthday.